Hello everybody, I would like to just give a short introduction to a series of 4 webinars that is upcoming now in April and May, organized by the Friends of BJ. And as you know, maybe, my emphasis in teaching is always what matters in practice, and therefore this series will be case-based teaching as well for me as for the 3 friends that have agreed to join me. The second concern is, of course, what is an original insight we can offer, and therefore I go back to the old idea of East meets West. You know that homeopathy was born in the West in Germany, but that for a long time already it is most popular in numbers. The highest numbers are in the East, not to mention in India. And I'm not saying that the 2 currents have been very far away, but it has been a very rewarding experience to join and come together and have the ideas of homeopaths in the East and the West improve each other. And I have done in 2007 such an East which meets West seminar for the first time in Missouri with Farooq Master. Then there has been a repeat, an initiative with Rajan Shankaran and me in Bruges in 2017. And now again there is this series of East meets West webinars. I myself will bring a long-standing case of psoriasis with a long follow-up, where the emphasis will be dosage, which is one of my favorite topics, and I have worked a lot on that, and especially the idea of the possible interference with placebo or placebo responses, and are thinking about it. So you're very welcome. Here is the website where you can subscribe, and I hope to meet you there. Bye bye.